a lot of flying and detailing with it. Brings it out to the Airshow every year. In fact, for many years, we bring it out to the show while he was building it. You can, over a couple years of the show, you can see it, start from just a bunch of sticks. The next year, we get more of a frame on it. So it's a labor of love for him. All electric, 4 engines. He hand wound the motors himself. Built the landing gear himself. Pretty much everything in the airplane built himself. He's been cleared for takeoff, and our B-17's on takeoff roll. Certainly something you might want to take pictures of to get a chance up close or in the air. And he's airborne. Okay, B-17's coming around. Nice slow lumbering flight. Young Colin's got his T-28 on final approach. The B-17 looks just like it was in the war if you didn't know any better. You almost wonder what the people on Highway 101 think. Like I said, some of the guys have been flying quite a while, probably almost 10 minutes now. The batteries are allowing them to do that. Span will be able to help answer any questions. We're always happy to do so. And, take pictures, video yesterday, and after today will start picking up as the day goes on. Kevin Walsh is on final with his Freedom. It's nice to support 3D flyer aircraft. A little bit of wind, as you can see. They just don't want to come down sometimes. They want to keep flying. They're light airplanes. It doesn't take a lot of wind to keep them airborne. Okay, Jeff, one of our electric pilots, got his Skybolt, and if you look on top of the wing, our P-47's up in the air providing air support to B-17. Looks like a nice setup here. So keep the power on.
Great landing. Oh, that's so cool. You can steerable gear on the...
That's all electric powered aircraft we're showcasing you now. Our next section, when we're done with the... Their flyers are available in our information and raffle booth. There's information on our club and the information on the whole schedule we got for the day. Okay, Walter Colby's got his old-timer aircraft out there. You'll notice it's got green wings on the right, red on the left. It's kind of a white, yellowish fuselage. He actually has, if you go look at it. I don't want to venture how many thousands of LEDs on the airplane. Last night they were out, we were camping out here flying the thing around. I mean, it was lit up and a pretty bright airplane. So if we had any UFO reports in the area, it was Walter. A little bit of wind picked up here from electric. Matthew Smith's flying a C-47 out there. Twin electric powered, 2 motors. C-47's got the gear down doing an approach. A lot of pilots do a gear check, as we call it. Fly by, make sure they can count the number of landing gear they're supposed to be down. Mike's taxi the B-17 back to center taxiway. He'll have it on static display later. Definitely go chat with him if you're interested. Take some pictures. And all the detail he's got into the airplane and learn the history about it. Along with how he made the motor and a lot of stuff. Plastic LED lights right there on the bucket. One bright set. Be checking their PT-19s out. Fly them off for him. We got a nice photo pass here with the P-47 and the Corsair. Right now low on the deck.
Yeah, keep up with it.
To do that formation. P-51, they're working on the motor, trying to get it started. It's owned by Denny Baker, piloted by Rick Mena. Braking run past here, looks like, or maybe a nice roll coming up. We got a landing here on the pyramid coming in. And he planted it down a little bit, but it's down safe. Right up under Mike with his big spearhead.
Yeah.
Mike Leggetts working on his B17 here. The B17's got 4 electric motors. He scratch built the entire airplane, the landing gear on it. The motor's even wound itself, so it's a really neat airplane. Guns move on it. B-47's been cleared for takeoff. Winslow Miller's our pilot for that today. Certainly get your photos, your cameras out, and you can see some neat action from these guys today. Nice blow passes. Gears up on the P-47.
I told him to bring it to the back over there and then drive to the
Show you first there on takeoff. Gears up.
Is that his way down there in the rear? Oh yeah, yeah.
Okay, 247 Corsair up. Looks like they're in some problems with the P-50.
The yellow seaplane.
Oh, yeah.
CB thing.
That's a,
What's the model of the ones that go over to Catalina Island?
Those are drum and tune.
It's not this?
goose. No, that's not
The
it.
goose?
No, that's not a goose. That's a home build, actually.
And he's down safe with the Corsair.
Got its own shape, huh?
Light
He
check.
said he was going to put some noise in it, but he didn't do it yet.
Machine gun noise? Yeah.
Well, engine noise.
It's a nice, quiet piece, obviously.
Runway, we'll hold it there, check everything.
Right,
Beginning to
that's
take
it.
off.
You want to see that level cable?
Here we go, B17.
There he goes. He'll be off the ground. No time.
What happened to that plane in Watsonville yesterday, eh? Cashed in.
And we are airborne, big B17, just like the scale aircraft, right? Yeah, black and white camera, you wouldn't know any difference unless the battery was close to this.
He got some great pictures of it against the hills, too. You never know. And more money.
I know, he has some screensavers.
Does it? Yeah.
I mean, it looks just like the real thing.
Exactly. It is. He built it right in the plan.
Yep.
He said he's going to put some kind of a noise maker on. You know, so you can hear the engine.
That'd be cool.
That's what he's going to, like the real one, that's what he's going to do, yeah, that's what he said.
Oh, got the gear up. Good.
Hey, Mike's pulled up the landing gear, electric landing gear.
Get it, huh?
Good.
He's got it. A little hard to win.
So down safe, end of the runway. Didn't use much runway. How about a round of applause for Mike Leggetts B17G on the warm parade. Okay, once we get in back, Nick will be going up with his TV-style helicopter. We'll be doing some aerobatics, and I'll call it a fast-paced or a high. Climb now. The top of this jet's approximately $6,000. They will burn 1 gallon of fuel every 10 minutes. The brakes and the landing gear are both pneumatic. So I'll stop talking and let you go and enjoy the jet. Enjoy.
Can't follow it.
So Joe doing the flyby to check it right now. Alright, they just told me, they just said they're going to set up for the landing right now. A little high, double checking the gears, making sure everything's down. And it is. Fail-safe system work.
Go down this time?
They'll start feeding off and exchanging some of that airspeed for altitude. And the air through the wind. Here we go.
Oh, nice. Yeah.
Touchdown, safely. Really good. So no more TV plus. But also, these are called